Just Chelsea and Janaya doing Dynamite Party with some real.
I throw my sandwich in the air sometimes,
saying ayo.
Where's the mayo?
I wanna celebrate and eat my rice.
Saying ayo.
Gotta let go.
We're going to eat all day.
We're gonna drink all day.
We're gonna eat all the food like a food buffet.
And now we're going up. Now we're going down. We go all around like a crazy clown.
I'm gonna take it all night. I'm gonna be the last one standing. I have ruled it all night. I'm gonna be the last one.
Thank you, that's it. Bye. We'll make new videos if you like this. Try to help us get 1 million views. Make this girl right here become a star. Yeah.
Okay, come on, take it down.
Hold on, I'm trying to turn it off. Come on.
Bring it down here.